people. So there is this Chandigarh based cute little enterprise called Turpai. It's a different name, right? But uh, in this little, it's run by this sweet lady in Chandigarh. I haven't met her. I met her through Instagram, and all the products on her, that Turpai deals in is within 9.99. And 9.99 bucks, and it's mostly an apparel based enterprise, as in they make these personalized you know kurta pajama sets for nightwear for children with their names written on it, and it's very cute. If you were to check out, just type Turpai, Turpai, Turpai underscore CHD, that is Chandigarh, right? So then you'll come upon this cute little page on Instagram, and amazing, yeah. I mean, right from the cloth material they use, it's like once you see that site, you want to keep looking at it. Some particular Instagram pages are like that. So try and check it out, people. It's called Turpai, and it's based in Chandigarh. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.